this is Solving Inequalities Part 2, because as you all know, I'm new to this, and I didn't realize I needed to be deleting videos because I ran out of space. So we were on our word problem here, and we had started talking about this. So the percentage here of U.S. voters using punch cards or levers machines, we want to know in what year will fewer than 38.1% be using punch cards. So what that means is when will the percentage, in what year will the percentage be less than 38.1? So if you think about it like that, then we know that the percentage equals this. So that means negative 2.5x plus 63.1 is less than 38.1. Okay, so we have to subtract 63.1 from both sides. So we have negative 2.5x is less than, and I didn't think about the fact that I probably should have grabbed a calculator. So remember, positive and negative, we have to subtract, but the bigger one, if you're doing it by hand, still needs to be on top so that you can do that. So we have 0, 13 minus 8 is 5, and 5 minus 3 is 25. The bigger one is negative, so that would be negative 25. Then we're going to divide by negative 2.5. Remember our rule that since we're dividing by negative, we have to flip that inequality. Now 25 divided by 2.5. Move the decimal once, move the decimal once. So x is greater than, negative divided by negative is positive, so 10. X is greater than 10. But now remember, we have to answer the question. The question is in which years. So the x is the number of years after 1994. So 10 years after 1994 would be 2004. So we would be, the years would be greater than 2004. So this would be in the years after 2004. You could expect them to, less than 38.1% of voters would be using the punch cards. Now you could take this and do it a couple different ways. We could have seen, for example, this year is 2015. We could have figured out how many years that is since 1995, found X and put that in, and figured out what the percentage was this year. So always read your question carefully, because you could take the information and just be asked different questions. Okay, so once you've done your assignment, we'll work on this in class. And see what kind of questions you have. Hope you have a good afternoon. Bye.